Welcome to Dhaatrisolutions. Today I came with the new project called Online Pharmacy Store. This is our website. Firstly, I want to introduce the project description which gives a clear understanding. The online medicine booking system is a website. It deals with the sale of prescription medicine through online. This platform will help the users to order medicines in online and get the medicines delivered to their address. In this website we have 4 modules: admin, delivery boy, doctor and patient. I just want to show a flowchart which gives a clear understanding. So this is the flowchart. Here, admin will log in into their predefined login credentials like email and password. Then, doctor will register their details into the website like name, designation, email, etc. And admin can view the doctors and verify the doctors by clicking on the verify button. The admin can add the delivery boys and view the delivery boys. The admin can add the medicine categories and view the added medicine categories. The admin can add the medicines like name, picture, etc. and view the added medicines. Next, the patient will register their details into the website by giving the name, address, email, password, phone, etc. and log in into the website. The patient view the medicines by searching the category name of medicine or name of the medicine. And here there are 2 types of orders will produced. Firstly, the patient will directly view the medicines and add the medicine into the cart and view the cart and click on the place order button. He can pay the amount and the order will displayed on view orders, and also admin will view the view orders, the patient orders. Here the admin will choose the delivery boy to assign the patient. Then the delivery boy log into the website and view the assigned orders by clicking on the view assigned orders button and click the button make as receive to the patient. The patient will be take the order, and in view history the patient will see the status of the order by clicking the view history. The second step is the doctor will log into the website and write and update the prescription of the patient, and the patient will view the prescription under order to directly. Here the admin will view the prescription orders and assign to the delivery boy. Then the delivery boy log into the website, view the prescription orders and deliver it to the patient. The status will be updated by step, and patient will choose the history in view history, and admin also view the orders in view history. This is the flowchart. This is the website. Here admin will log into their predefined login credentials like email and password. Here and doctors will register by giving the name, phone number, address, password. Click on the register button. Registration is successful. We'll go to the admin. Admin can view the doctors and click on the verify button. The doctor will be verified. Admin will add the delivery boys by giving the name, email, phone number, password. Click on the add button. Delivery boy is added, and we can view the delivery boys. Click the categories. Here admin will add the categories. Of the medicine. Click the add category button. Here you can view the categories, and also admin can add the medicines by clicking the add medicine. Choose category, prescription needed, name, brand, name of the medicine and brand of the medicine, and price, choose file. Here you can choose the file, and add medicine. Medicine will added. Here we can view the medicine in this same page. Next we will go to the patient. Click the register button. The patient will register by giving the details, name, and email, phone number, address, and password. Click the register register button, the registration is successful. Next, the patient will log in into the website by giving their registered email and password. Click the login button. This is the home page of the patient. By search the medicine button, the patient will view the medicines in this page by click the search medicine categories or medicine name. You can click the add to cart button. You can give the quantity of the medicine and click the add button, the product added to cart. Then you can view the cart by clicking the view cart. Here we can choose the delivery type and click the delivery and click the place order button. The payment page will be displayed. Here the card number should be exactly 16 numbers. And give the name on card, CVV number and expiry date. And total amount and click the pay button. Order placed successfully. Then we will go to the admin, login into the website and click the login button. Here admin can view the orders in view orders page and choose delivery boy and click the assign button. Order assigned to the delivery boy. Next we will go to the delivery boy and enter their email and password. Click the login button. This is the home page of the delivery boy. Here delivery boy can view the orders in view assigned orders. Here pick up the order, can click the button. And the status will updated in out for delivery. Next, click the button as mark as order delivered. The status will updated in order delivered. And patient will enter into the website. Click the login button. Here in view history, the patient can view the status order delivered. The next step is doctor will log in into the website. And give the password. Click the login button. Here doctor doctor will add the prescription by click the add prescription button and select the quantity of the medicine and click the add prescription. In view preparing prescription, the prescription will be displayed. Here choose the patient and start date and enter into the end date. Click the send prescription to the patient. The prescription prepared to the patient. So the patient will log in into the website. Here he can view the prescription and choose the delivery type. Type pickup. Click the order prescription. Order prescription successfully. In order prescription, you can view the orders. We go to the admin page. Here, admin can view the ordered prescription by clicking on the dispatched orders description. Dispatched order prescription successfully. Right, thank you.